and we see Team Red Sandstorm off and running. 3 dual Axions and 8 embedded computers. These computers process world models, generate autonomous plans, and command driving functions. Average speed for the QID a couple of days ago was 9.4 miles an hour. Red is on the move over the first obstacle, preparation for the first opening. Very decisively done down on the east end of the course. Sandstorm approaches. Terramax is in the wings, ready to go. Past the 2 vertical barriers. Now approaching the van, the first rental car that's sitting on the GPS waypoint. Adjust itself. No problem. Sandstorm continues. The transition from eastbound GPS waypoints to westbound waypoints. Sandstorm lines up for the transition, grass to asphalt, back to grass. Successful. Comes down the incline. Okay, now lines itself up to go over to the gravel pit. You hear it accelerating, approaching the second rental car. Past second rental car. Approaching third rental car. As it gets down on the west end, Pete up in the tower will give Terramax its command to commence run. Past the third vehicle for Sandstorm, no problem. Lining itself up on the simulated cattle crossing. There's pipes laying on the ground, plus that's a depression, so it has to see all of those things. No problem. Sandstorm goes through. Sandstorm now has to approach the walkover bridge here at the road course at California Motor Speedway. You see 2 vertical wooden panels with metal at the bottom. Sandstorm has to go through those. It is wide enough for Terramax with room to spare, so it's not like it's pinched down. It then will commence, basically, if you will, a speed run toward the west end of the complex, toward turns 3 and 4, where it will then make its transition from westbound to eastbound around a couple other obstacles. Sandstorm is through the walkover bridge obstacle. It has now got, other than some directional obstacles, it's got a straight run to the west end. I'm sure Sandstorm will increase its speed. It'll be interesting what its speed factor is. The first one was 9.4 miles per hour.